The LEDs, as you can see, the pattern is random. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I always try to find cool stuff to put on my channel, and I recently found on my Shopify this amazing toy. It's called the Flynova. It's like a flying spinner or a flying saucer or even a boomerang, a high-tech boomerang, as we will see in a minute. So this is available for around $25 and it comes in black, blue or red, and you get in the box a little leaflet. Very simple. It's only one page. It's only in English, by the way, so it's a one-pager instruction booklet. You have the flying saucer and you have a USB charge cable. So look at the size of this thing in my hand. Look at that. It's very light. It takes about 15 minutes to charge, and that will give you between 5 and 10 minutes of play. I'm sorry to interrupt this video. The Flynova is very safe. It is very light. There is a guard on the top and at the bottom here, so you cannot have your fingers in contact with the propeller. And as you will see, I'm going to hit a lamp during a demonstration and nothing got damaged. So it's a very safe device for kids and also to play indoor. So depending on how you throw it, it will come back to you, so you can use it as a boomerang or you can play with somebody else. So to turn this on, and there is a side also, there's an arrow here that indicates this is the up, so up and down. There is a switch on the side, and you will see here, look at the LEDs. Look at that. And to start it, all you have to do is spin it. Just like that. The LEDs, as you can see, the pattern is random. On the table right now, I can let it go just like that. I'm not throwing it, but as you can see, it is flowing on the table. And to stop it, you just hold it. Just like that, as simple as that. So to start, you throw, depending on the angle, it will do different things. So it's like a gyro. It's like a gyro prop, basically. So it's very interesting. When you hold it, you can feel, of course, the moment because of the spinning prop. So very nice, like I said. Let me double check here the colors, yeah, and the charging time. So guys, let's go to my runway over there when I usually fly my Mini, when I do my tutorial on the Mavic Mini. So let's go over there and let's see what we can do with this high-tech boomerang. So let's start our Flynova, making sure that the up is up, just like that. And we start by rotating. So if I throw it at an angle forward, it will go straight. So that as is like that. So then you can play with somebody else. But if you throw it at an angle towards you like this, it will come back to you like a boomerang. See? I only have 7 feet of ceiling here, so playing outside with no wind would be even like better. Whoa, I touched the light. When it goes down like that on the floor, usually it stops by itself, so you don't have to grab it and stop it. Whoa. So very, very nice. I like this little toy. It's very fun, actually. And then again, we just stop it like that. So guys, this is the Flynova, a very fun toy for the price, a high-tech boomerang or flying saucer. Very nice. I can see kids having a lot of fun, especially outside. With no wind, you have more height, and you can play inside also, so that's the cool thing about this device. So thank you guys for watching. Goodbye guys.